Going overseas and age pension. Explanation of this topic has been requested by many, as after COVID people started traveling overseas in big numbers. Others might even be thinking of moving overseas permanently as the lifestyle change or to be closer to other family members that reside in another country. I have already created a couple of videos on overseas travel, age pension and travel overseas, and retirement and living overseas. Whatever your reason for travel overseas, you need to understand rules around the age pension payments and how they could be affected well before you leave Australia. Therefore, today we will go over the following issues. Number one, residency requirements. Number two, portability of age pension. Number three, issues for former residents. Number four, how is your family home assessed when you are overseas? And number five, receiving age pension payments while you are overseas. My name is Katherine Isbrandt from About Retirement. I'm a certified financial planner and you are watching About Retirement TV, the place where you can find answers to most of your questions when preparing financially for your retirement or how to improve your retirement if you're already there. When preparing for overseas travel or permanently moving overseas, before you leave Australia, you really need to understand the age pension rules and how they may affect you. Number one, residency requirements. In order to qualify for the age pension, you have to be an Australian resident who is in Australia when applying. An Australian resident needs to reside in Australia and be one of the following: Australian citizen or holder of a permanent visa or holder of a protected special category visa. To qualify for the age pension, the person must generally have 10 years of qualifying residence unless exempt. When a person is a refugee or a former refugee, they may qualify for an exemption from the requirements to have 10-year qualifying residence. Alternatively, they may qualify under the international agreement. Currently, Australia has an agreement with 32 countries, with the most recent agreement with Republic of Serbia that commenced in February 2024. Please check my video Retirement and Living Overseas. Although it is 3 years old, rules have not changed and the video explains those rules in detail. It is important to remember that agreement with each country might be different. Therefore, please check the information or contact Centrelink International Services section directly. Number two, portability of age pension. The age pension is one of the few support payments that has an indefinite portability period. That means it can be paid to you indefinitely while you are overseas, but the level of pension payments might depend on the length of your overseas stay, whether it is temporary or it is permanent. If you made your claim in Australia and you met the 10-year qualifying residence in Australia, then the general proportional portability rules apply. Keep in mind that special rules apply to former residents, which I will explain in a minute. If you are paid the age pension under an international agreement, the portability rules might be different depending on the country where you reside. So what exactly are the age pension portability rules? The general rule is that age pension could be paid to you indefinitely while you are overseas. However, after a period of 26 weeks, the rate of payment may become proportional depending on the working life residence in Australia. Working life residence in Australia refers to all periods from the age of 16 to age pension age when a person is an Australian resident. It is a measure of a person's potential working life and does not require that the person was working or was paying any taxes. From 1st July 2014, the number of years of working life in Australia to receive the maximum payment of age pension is 35 years, which is 420 months. Therefore, if your working life in Australia is less than 420 months, your payment while overseas after the period of the first 26 weeks will reduce based on months of your working life in Australia. Well, let's meet Steve, who receives $10,000 per annum of age pension when in Australia. Steve decided to go overseas for a period of 2 years. For the first 6 weeks, he will be receiving the full entitlement. After 6 weeks, his pension supplement will drop to the basic rate and the energy supplement will also stop. After reaching 26 weeks, his age pension will drop to the proportional calculations based on number of years of his working life in Australia, which in his case was 18 years, meaning that his age pension rate will be reduced down to $5,166. Pensionary concession card. If a person temporarily leaves Australia, the pensionary concession card will remain valid for up to 6 weeks. The card will then be reinstated when you return back to Australia. However, if you leave Australia permanently, the pensionary concession card will be immediately cancelled upon your leaving of Australia. Number 3. Issue for former residents. When a former resident returns to Australia and is granted the NH pension, a 2-year waiting period applies before the pension is portable outside of Australia. The intention of this legislation is to discourage people from returning to Australia, claiming the age pension and returning to live permanently overseas. Number 4. How is your family home assessed when overseas? As you know, when applying for the age pension payment, Centrelink will determine your level of payment based on the outcome of income and asset test. In most cases, the family home is exempt from both tests. However, you should pay attention as to how your home is viewed by the Department of Centrelink if you travel overseas for a longer period of time. Generally, the rule is that your home will continue to be exempt from means testing for the period of up to 12 months. Therefore, for this time, you are regarded as a homeowner. However, if you stay overseas longer than 12 months, or you are moving overseas permanently, you will be considered as a non-homeowner, and your home in Australia will be counted as an asset under the means testing, which often might cause loss of your age pension payment. Number 5. Receiving age pension while overseas. If you stay overseas for less than 12 months, your age pension will be paid to your usual bank account in Australia on fortnightly basis. However, if you intend to be away for more than 12 months, you will receive the age pension every 4 weeks into either your Australian bank account or into foreign bank account of your choice. And please remember that under the notification provisions, you must notify Centrelink about both overseas departures and arrivals in Australia. I do hope this explanation provided you with further details about the impact of your overseas travel on your age pension. If this is you, please let me know in the comments below our video, where are you planning to go and for how long. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and sign up to this channel to be informed of all the future videos. To learn more about the rules of age pension, what to do with your savings to improve your overall retirement income, or to learn about those different income streams, visit our website aboutretirement.com.au. Once you are there, please do not forget to sign up to our newsletter that is coming out on fortnightly basis. This will keep you updated with all the financial changes introduced in Australia that can impact your retirement. If you have any questions, you need to check if you are receiving a correct age pension payment or how to maximize it, just book a meeting with a financial planner from About Retirement to receive all those important answers. This is even more essential if you require the full financial plan or a strategy to maximize and improve your savings, or a level of income, or how to minimize your taxes. Please also book a meeting. This could be invaluable for you and for your financial future. And now please watch our other recommended videos, with the first one being Sean's video, What's Changing from July 2025. A very important update with lots of information for you. The second recommendation is my video, Government Plans for Your Retirement Savings. Enjoy, and I will be speaking with you in my next video. Bye for now.